So we're going to shape these as we would ask the participants to shape them and seed dip them. And we have here a nice variety of small seeds or toppings that they can use. We don't want anything too big like sunflower seeds. We've got some nice sesame seeds. We've got some lovely blue poppy seeds. And we've also got some polenta, some maize meal, which is a bit of a talking point often in the groups. So the first thing that we're going to do, and I'll just move this out the way, is we're going to take a piece of dough, and this is the smooth side, so we're just going to flip it over. And it's always about accentuating things and exaggerating things so that people get the most benefit out of using their fingers, out of using their muscles, out of concentrating and coordinating their movements. So the way that we've been doing this, and it works really well, is first of all to get people to press down and make a rough round with their piece of dough. And then we want them to use this action of pinching their fingers and thumbs together by gripping a little bit of the dough, pulling it, and then pushing it into the middle. And we're going to go all the way round. So again, some people will get this straight off, some people will struggle a little bit with it. And it's always remembering that it doesn't have to be perfect. We're really letting people explore and try things for themselves, and it really doesn't matter because it'll all come out lovely in the bake. So we're just going to go round the whole piece, and this is how you can do it if you're just making some buns to bake off and enjoy with the group. So once they have done that and they've pressed into the middle, no matter how it's looking, you can just flip it over, yeah? And they've got the makings of a little bun. We've got a little bubble popping up there, so the yeast is still very active. And this can be quite a challenge for people to not press down too hard. You'll notice, I might mention, that we have no flour on the counter, and some people get quite anxious about that. I need flour, and they really don't. If they don't hang around on the dough too long, it won't stick to them, or it'll be less sticky. So it really is a matter of getting them to think about, you know, how not to hang around and to have quite a light touch. So we want to be quite light and just to cup over the bun and just use this movement here. And it's quite a gentle, lovely movement. And then they should have a nice, tight, pert bun. So we'll just pop that there, and we'll just do these. So pressing it out, and then pulling, going round. And for some people, not pressing down is a real challenge. People really want to kind of press down and create a sort of flat, almost like a burger bun. But we're trying to encourage them to create pert buns. But if they do that, that's fine. That's fine. It'll still come out lovely in the bake and will taste beautiful. So we'll just turn it round and gently, without pressing, create a little bun. And you can become quite confident yourself at this, and it's difficult to remember that, you know, some of these actions can be a real challenge for people, and the coordination of doing it can be a real challenge. But then you will get some participants who will be able to do 2 buns at the same time. So everybody is different. There we go, and we're just bringing that round. Nice and tight, so it's got a nice tight skin on the outside. Flipping it over, and again, a nice tight bun.